It smells like SM. Sorry, Swan.
That's my mommy present.
What is it? What did you make?
I made you with my hand. It's not pizza, mommy. It's not. It's not a toy.
It's not a toy.
It's my present.
It's mommy's present. I know. I will treasure it. I'm not. Wow.
Wow.
Gentle. Gentle.
Now whose bag is this one?
Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back sa ating bestie Ron. Again, nasa channel na naman natin siya.
Hi everyone. Hope everyone is safe, well, and yes.
Thank you.
It's good to be back on the channel again.
This is very exciting, guys, because finally I received my package from the company Teddy Blake. If you are not aware of this company as yet, guys, I think, like for me, nakita ko na to siya sa marami talagang mga YouTuber. Like, they do a lot of unboxings and reviews. Yeah, yeah. And then, Teddy Blake was very generous enough to contact me and tinanong nila ako kung I want to try out one of their beautiful handbags. And of course, sabi ko, yes, guys, kasi alam niyo naman kung gaano ako ka-addict pagdating sa bags and shoes and yung mga passion ganon. And
really?
I thought there's no better way to open a new handbag than, you know, opening it with my bestie, because he shares this passion with me. Yes. He also loves handbags. I'm really excited to share it with you para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang ating handbag. So, let's just, you know, let's open it now. Dito pala kami ngayon sa office, guys, kasi sa office kami dalawa nag-work today. So, timing.
Oh, wow.
They've got like, initial reaction ba siya, guys?
Like, wow, box.
Oh.
Wait. Oh, actually.
Maganda yung box nila.
That's
the front one.
There you go.
Ayan. So it's Teddy Blake, New York. Ayan.
Beautiful box.
I know. Very, parang luxury. Parang luxe na talaga yung feeling, guys. Box pa lang. No.
Cake inside.
Happy birthday to you.
My budget.
Oh my God.
Wait, what does it say there?
Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy. Luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Siguro mabaguhan kayo, guys, sa pinili kong kulay.
Translate please.
May supot na.
Basta magandang bag.
Wala, maganda yung ano nila, guys. Ayan, meron silang mga papel sa ibabaw. Ayan. So, again, this handbag is pure, genuine, 100% leather. And it's made in Italy, guys. So, sabi nila, it's made in the same company where they make the other luxury designer brands.
Alright.
Yeah. But the only difference is it's the fraction of the price.
Yeah.
But leather and all, you know. Kasi alam niyo yung mga brands, guys, normally we're just paying for the brand, alam niyo yun. But they are the same material. Ayan, keep na din ng ganyan. Hi, thank you, Teddy Blake. Marin, Teddy Blake. I love you, Teddy Blake. So, there is. Meron siyang paper, guys, bubble wrap. Ayan, may bubble wrap to protect our beautiful handbag.
We need for bubble wrap.
Yeah. And that's the dust bag. Says Teddy Blake, New York. Oh my God, are you ready, guys? Are you ready, Te?
Super.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh Oh god, it's so freaking bright.
Oh, the hardware is nice.
Okay. Lagyan na ng drum roll.
Club. Oh my god. It's pretty.
This is so girly, guys, as you can see. Move here a little bit, I can see you. There. Ayan. So this particular handbag, just to make sure
really
na
beautiful, like, in the
give you the proper information, guys. So this is the Ava. I'll put the information sa baba, guys. Ava Croco Gold. And yung size niya, guys, ito yung 11 inches. And obviously, yung kulay niya is fuchsia. So, alam niyo naman, I'm having another baby girl. Ayan, as you can see. So, I feel like girly.
It's very fitting.
Very girly. And what do you think about the size?
I love the leather smell.
I know, right?
It smells like SM. Right? Like, you know, bago mo, like, you know, first day of school, you buy yung bibili tayo ng sapatos, smells like SM. Size 1.
Oh, the smell and the feels.
No, the hardware is, oh my god, the hardware is stunning.
Ayan. Pakita natin sa ano, be? Anyan.
4 legs?
Yeah, 4 legs.
4 legs.
So, meron siyang pocket sa likod. And it says Teddy Blake, New York. Diyan. The zipper is very high quality ka iti. You know what, guys? Like, the style reminds me of Kelly.
Very.
Yeah?
It's very Kelly.
Yeah.
Okay. And open.
Oh.
Get a strap.
I got this size because I know I could fit nappy and wipes. Mom life.
Oh my god.
Is it suede inside?
Yeah, it's like a suede leather. Pink suede leather.
Nakita ba, guys?
Hello?
It's very dark.
Madilim. But it's looks black, but it's pink.
It's pink, yeah, the same color.
It's like
the same colors outside.
Pink now, like almost to the like violet kind of thing.
Velvet no.
Suede.
Oh.
It's like a suede. It's a suede leather.
Yeah, and also inside there is like a pocket, like a side pocket, and then meron ding zip pocket. So
I'm just gonna undo the strap. Ooh, what is it
it's
called?
Very nice, huh?
Clochette.
Ayan. Okay. So believe it or not, guys, for this particular handbag,
sorry, we're gonna do a mud shots.
Yeah, they offer like I think 14 colors. So kung hindi niyo to siya bet, guys, kung hindi to siya pasok sa banga niyo, meron silang iba-ibang kulay, guys. Like, make sure to visit their website.
I want. Sorry to cut you off. The green one, the Envy green.
Yeah.
Love.
I wanted the cream one at first, but they didn't have it in stock. So yeah. But yeah, you have a lot of choices sa kulay, guys, huh? So make sure to visit their website. It's www.teddyblack.com. And also, meron pala tayong guys, meron tayong pa-code, diba? So just in case you like, I know!
Oh my god, Jovey 100. Sure. Just kidding.
So, if you use, make sure, guys, ilalagay ko to sa baba.
Description box.
Para,
can I take the tag
makita nyo. Yeah. So, you can use,
para alam ko lang
TB Jovey 30 for $30 off.
Crap, say it again because I'll just cut you off then.
TB Jovey 30 for $30 off. Ayan. But just note, guys, na hindi siya maa-apply sa mga sale items nila. So sa full sa full price lang magagamit yung $30 off. But any dollars off is better than nothing off.
Yeah,
right?
Totally. Yes. So that's the clochette and I don't know,
lock.
key and lock.
Yeah, where's the key?
Nandito.
Inside.
Anyways.
Money from me. Ayan. So, as you can see, update for
actually,
baby
it's cute in your outfit right now.
No?
It's like blue. It's actually nice.
The white. Seriously, guys, I know when I bought this one, when I chose this color, I know already that this will look great if I wear white.
You can just like there for
okay.
But
double, ano siya.
Yeah.
Para safe.
Pero hindi siya like, so you don't have to like fiddle. So just like easy lang. Meron siyang magnetic there para yun lang.
Yeah.
Oh, go na.
Yeah. So this is really a beautiful design, guys. Seriously. Although, kung hindi, yun na nga, kung hindi ito yung type nyo, they also, yeah, I think like they release like a new collection every month, if I'm not mistaken. So,
check it out. There's a lot bags and designs.
So for sure, sa dami ng mga designs nila sa website nila, guys, for sure meron kayong mahahanap na pasok sa mga.
And there's a lot of color, neutral, black.
Yeah, that's right.
Colors.
And again, this is like 110% real leather and all. Just the other luxurious designer brands, right?
It's really, really nice. I love it. Actually, really like it.
And I can shorten it again because it's, oh no, maybe not like that.
It's a bit too big.
This way, yeah.
But like, I think it's nice with like Donya, like you're just that.
Mamista na.
Yeah, Donya lang. Sising lang yung mga utang.
Yung mga katulad ko, guys, na really love handbags, but then you're not ready to splurge a lot for like the designer brands na yung mga sobrang mahal talaga like Hermes and Chanel and all that. I think this is perfect alternative because, as mentioned, this is genuine leather and also again fraction of the price, guys. Fraction of the price.
Yes.
Just make sure to check their website, guys, so you know all the details. And if ever you want to get one, then yeah, make sure to use my code para makasave kayo ng $30. Yeah. But yeah, I just want to say thank you, Teddy Blake, for sending this to me. And then I'll probably gonna use it for another week or two, and then I'll give you like a full-on review later on. So this is just the unboxing, guys, and first impression about the bag.
See how we go. Like throughout the week. So like a little bit of clips, how the leather will go. And,
I can't wait. I can't wait to start.
Because it's all about the truth in this channel. Sure.
But yeah, thank you for opening it with me. I have to go, guys, because I have to pick up Paris from childcare now. And what time? It's nearly 6 o'clock ng gabi. Oh my god. But yeah, that's the bag again. So beautiful.
But it's really, really nice. I really like it. I love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
I know you would.
It's my hand, Mommy.
Is that your hand? Is that your hand?
Yes, you.
Ooh. Is that for Mommy?
Yes,
for Mother's Day?
Is that?
That's
my name here.
Thank you, Paris. Thank you. Give Mommy a kiss. Come on, let's go. Sprinkles?
It's sprinkled there.
Who helped you do that?
Me, I did this.
Say bye-bye now. Bye-bye, Caroline. Bye-bye. See you next
Mommy,
week. Yes.
I paint them.
Okay.
I did like this color.
Oh, yeah, I love that color, honey.
What color is it?
What do you see?
What color, Mommy? What is color?
Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Sobrang dilim na. It's only 6 o'clock, but because of the daylight savings.
It's nighttime now.
Oh yeah, it's nighttime now. See, I can't see you anymore.
I can see no more too.
Huh?
What is that?
Come in na.
I still my eyes.
You saw your eyes?
Yes, see my eyes here.
Oh, your eyes are there.
Oh.
Alright. Let's go, let's go.
Mommy, what color, Ma? What color is this?
What color did you use?
I used this one. This pink.
I really love it, honey. Thank you for making that for Mommy.
That's for Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. Okay, sit down.
Kauwi na kami, guys. Yan ang dalawa. Naku, wipe your face, nakbe. Wipe your face, B.
I'm hungry again.
Are you hungry again?
Ow!
Tignan nyo, guys, so sinipon kasi. Kaya maraming booger sa mukha. Yes, honey, gentle. You wanna do it yourself, please?
No!
Okay, mama do it then. There you go. Oh, beautiful girl na. Kalungaton.
Go. Bye, Mommy.
Where's the thing? Where's your mom's present?
It's a car.
In the car. Show mommy. I think I have it here. Here it is. Show daddy your gift for mommy.
Teddy.
Is that for mommy?
Yes.
That's for Mother's Day.
Wow. What is it? Honey, tell mommy what that is.
That's my mommy present.
What is it? What did you make?
I made you bigger than my hand. Daddy, can we eat that?
That's Paris's hand. Wow.
Wow, that's so
Paris's hand. Who helped you now?
Me. I
Who
did
helped
it.
you do?
You put your hand here.
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
It's so beautiful.
That's the cookie.
Very nice, and the color that you use is so beautiful. Did you choose the color?
Yes. I put lots of colors in it.
You put lots of colors.
Yes, I put
Sabi niya, guys, na ano ako kasi sabi niya sa sasakyan, no, this is for you, mommy. Do you love me? Aww, of course I love you, my love.
Mom, what's more?
Do you love mama?
Mama, can
Do you love mama?
Mama.
Do you love mama? Are you sure? Promise?
Mommy, I want candy. What candy?
Oh, I'll give you the candy already, man. Tito Ron gave you. Oh, sana ka? Anak ko? Open this box now and tell me what you think.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah. So, Tito, Teddy Blake. Ikabi, Teddy. You say Teddy? Anak, Teddy?
Ready?
Blake.
Break.
Sent mama this. Ooh. Careful. Give mama a look. I'll show you. And you tell me. Wow.
Wow.
Gentle.
Mom, whose bag is this one?
That's mama's beat. You can have it too.
It's IT.
We can share. Do you like it?
Mommy, my candy.
Yeah. You can eat that one. I don't think this is bread. It's dirty. See? You painted it. It's not a cookie, my love.
What's this?
It's a, I don't know, it's a cement.
Mom, it's nothing, Mommy.
Smell.
It's my cake.
Yeah. Can you smell the bag? You tell me what's the smell like.
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah?
Wow. Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is the bag, Daddy. Oh, look.
No more candy.
The one for the...
I want more candy. No more candy.
Can you pull it now? Can you pull it now?
You like it, mommy?
Wow.
Wow. As far as like it, you can have it now. You can borrow it from Mama one day.
It's for school.
For school?
It's for school.
Do you like it?
Yes, but put sweets in there.
Yeah.
And there's nothing here.
There's nothing in there. It's beautiful.
It's nothing. There's nothing here.
Mm-hmm.
I guess nothing.
Do you like the color?
No, it's papers.
Yeah, papers in there.
I'm gonna take this paper off for a minute. I want to go shop so I can buy. I'm gonna go shopping and go buy it there.
Ah. What is that?
I want chips.
Daddy's ordering. Daddy's ordering dinner, guys, kasi nga 'di ba? Nag-vlog kami niron sa sa opisina. Nung inopen namin 'to, tapos ngayon pinick up ko siya. Pinick up ko siya. So late na ngayon, guys. Kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, ano daw, instead of punta kami ng shops para bumili ng dinner. Order na lang siya. When we go to the shop, okay? When we go to the shop, we'll get, tingnan nyo guys, oh, beauty. Sobrang beauty talaga ng ating bag. And then, yung box pala nila, natutupi ng ganito. Oh. It's so cool. Ayan. You wanna go shopping? Wow, sana naka-shopping. Ayan. Mamaya ko na yan siya. Guys. Now, can you say, Happy Mother's Day, Mommy?
Happy Mother's Mommy.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
What day is Mother's Day?
Sunday.
Wow.
Thank you, sweetheart, for your present. I really love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
I want the can go make a smell.
What's the smell?
Mommy, is it like pineapples or apples or bananas?
What does it smell?
Bananas.
Ano kaya to guys? Parang bread.
Can I smell it?
Is it like a bread na?
No.
That smells like pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Is
that.
it pizza?
No, it's not pizza. It's not pizza, Mommy. It's not. It's not a toy.
It's not a toy.
It's my present.
It's mommy's present. I know. I will treasure it, and I'll put it somewhere safe. Okay.
You have such a
Thank you for making it for Mama.
beautiful big hand. Did Mary make one too?
Yes. No, Mary don't.
Really?
Yes.
Only Paris make for Mama?
Yes, and me.
Oh, just you. So is it special? Very special?
Mommy, you go ahead.
Yeah, that's a big hand. Now, why did you have a star?
What's happened another one?
Her helped you try. Her helped you make this one, Caroline.
No, Caroline.
Kathy.
Yes. Me. I did it.
You did it? Who helped you? Guys, so habang nag-usap kami dito, ito naman yung isa ay
Which
sumasayaw-sayaw sa
teacher
tiyan ni
helped
Mami.
you?
I don't know if you can see it.
Kathy.
I'm gonna try some.
Give it to Mami. Ayan. I'll keep it somewhere. Naka.
White.
There's a hole. Oh, there's a hole so you can hang it. See, I'll hang it somewhere.
I don't like to hang it.
Because it's very special for Mommy. Because it's from you.
First go. Wow, what are you doing? Maya, play. Maya, what do it again? Ah!
Kalungaton ka. Kalungaton ka na? Kalungaton ikaw?
I don't like to hang it away. This, Mommy.
What is it, Anna? We can put it on?
And
Where?
in the
Fridge.
fridge.
In the fridge?
Yes,
Oh, that's a good idea, isn't it?
that's a good idea.
Oh.
I can't eat this.
You are very smart.
That's a cookie.
Yeah,
Then a toy too.
it's not a toy.
Is this one?
How do you say toy?
What's this?
You know what it is.
It's the pizza.
It's not a pizza.
Toy.
I don't like to eat this. I want it cut from.
What is it now?
Where did it come from?
Do you love Mommy? Do you? The baby sister is moving. Touch.
Mommy, touch.
Come there. Welcome. Touch here.
I can feel him.
You can feel?
It's a where?
Where?
Just look at give me a gummy.
Yeah, the baby sister is not crying.
And let me hear in my ears.
Okay, ears. Listen.
She's not crying.
She's not crying?
Yes.
What's she saying?
It's like goo gaga.
She said goo goo gaga?
I hate a roll. Just like this. I will show you. I will show you Mommy's present. I don't like eat that.
What did you say?
I say, look, my present.
Look.
It's my present.
Are you showing it to baby sister? Look at my present from Mommy.
It's for Mommy, but it's not a toy. It's not a toy.
Yeah.
That's not-
When baby sister comes out as well, she's gonna make one like that for Mommy.
what I be selling in school. I'm very excited for me.
That's right. Relax muna kami while waiting for our dinner.
Wait, Tito,
Nanood kami.
You check.
Nanood kami ng vlog.
Sorry.
Tito's right there.
Tito Joy? Who was that?
Wait.
Tito?
Tito? Tito?
Tito who? Tito EJ?
Tito? Another Tito?
What's the other Tito's name? Tito Prince?
Tito Prince.
And Tita Joy.
Tito Joy.
Yeah. Pag lumabas na ang ating baby number 2 guys, dyan na siya. Tito. Look.
What's that?
Who's that?
Hulk?
What?
How does the Hulk punch?
Gutom na ako guys. 1, 2, 3. Gabi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What
Show
is
me.
it for fun?
Show me the Hulk punching. Wait.
I gotta carry the car.